That was incredible. You really put your heart into it, and it showed. And then the butterfly flew right past my nose. It was huge, Dad, huge.
Wow, that sounds amazing, sweetie. And then the dragon flew right over the castle, and it breathed fire. But it was rainbow fire, so it just made everything sparkly instead of... You won't believe what just happened. I found the treasure map, and it leads right under my bed. We have to go right now.
See how the gears spin. It runs purely on happy thoughts.
Wow, Mr. John. It's amazing. Oh.
The detail on that robot is incredible, sweetie. Keep up the fantastic work.
Thanks, Sophia. I really like this part too.
Wow, look! A swing and a house!
It looks perfect.
Our very own backyard adventure.
Don't worry. Take a deep breath. I'm right here with you, and we'll work it out. Don't worry. We can figure this out together. I'm right here to help you. Look, Mom, this is going to be my room.
It's wonderful, sweetie. We are finally building our dream home. What if we connect the path right here instead?
Like this.
Oh.
Wow, that's amazing!
Look, it finished. The door is perfect. We have hope again.
Yes! The model and the drawing match perfectly. I finally did it! Yes!
This is the best feeling in the world, having everyone together like this.